Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited because this is my first Chanel purchase. Okay, and first of all, I just love that the bag comes with this little flower on it. I thought that was like pretty cute. And I did buy it from a Chanel boutique, so they wrapped it up and tied it for me. So this bow, oh, I actually thought, okay, so this is like actual like cotton, like fabric. So I'm gonna open this. So of course I know it's in here. I picked it out when I went, but I was just like, it's so cute how they wrapped it that I've had it sitting because I'm like, I'm not ready to open it because it was just wrapped so cutely. So this is the little, I guess, booklet that they give. Comes with the receipt. So I thought this was pretty cute too. That it has like its own like little receipt book. And oh yeah, so it's sunglasses. I got sunglasses. So this is the box. And again, it's just wrapped. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna untie the bow that's on here. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a sticker. Okay, so I'll put that in the top corner. And I'll keep the ribbon. So yeah, this is the box. Oh no, flowers popping off. And oh my goodness, this is such a cute case. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness, the case alone. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, so the cloth to clean it. Definitely gonna keep that in the case. And ooh, this is a thick book. Okay, I guess it's just, oh, this is not in English. Oh, okay, I gotta find English. English is in the middle. Okay, well yeah, I guess this is just letting me know that this is real. So thank you, Chanel. It's in like every language in here. Literally every language. I see Russian, I see Mandarin, I see Czech, French, Dutch, German. It's all in here. So, okay. And my flower keeps falling off the box. Maybe you guys have recommendations on what I'm supposed to do with this. I don't know. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, I got it. I got it. Okay, so the case is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. And the glasses. So these were a lot heavier than I thought. Like, I was just feeling it. There's some weight to it. So, and it has the Chanel logo on there. And then even on the lens itself, well, it's kind of hard to see. But on the lens, it says Chanel. So, yeah, I'm just gonna, well, I already know how they look, but go ahead and put it on. And I just love the frame on this. This is like a butterfly frame. And I think for my face shape, like this is perfect. You see a little side action going on there. Turn to this side, little side action going on there. And yeah, I love it. I love these glasses. And I'm gonna pretend like I know what these are called. I'll put the name on the bottom. I don't remember. I just remember that the shape, because I was like, I need to try them on because I want to make sure this shape works with my face. But yeah, so I'm definitely gonna get a couple more pairs because I'm really feeling this. And I know, like, they were saying it's so hard to find the black glasses in stock because of course black is always the first one to sell out. So I actually got the last pair, but I'm definitely gonna go back and get more because they also have like the ones like the lens are kind of like bluish, and I'm like, I really like those ones too. But yeah, I'm just at this point, I'm almost more in love with the case than I am the actual sunglasses. So yeah, those are the Chanel sunglasses. And yeah, the experience was really good. Like the sales associates were very helpful, very attentive. So I will definitely be going back.